So it's a family-run business that started in 1972. So we've got over 40 years experience in the recycling industry. We're supporting local charities such as St. Peter's Hospice and a lot of the independent charities that you see. So, you know, Treasure over on Stokes Croft and French Aid Support Group as well. So we're helping keep those charity shops going. In addition to that, you know, we welcome any member of the public to come by and check out our operation and use it as an educational tool, specifically when it comes to schools. And we provide materials for schools to use, not just locally in Bristol, but anywhere, so they can help teach the kids about what happens after they sort of decide they don't want their clothes anymore. Traditionally, we will go to a charity shop, and the charity shop will set aside what's called rotate, their rotated stock, the stock they weren't able to sell on the floor. We'll purchase that from them, we'll collect it, our drivers will pick it up. It'll be brought back here every day, and what happens next is all of the bags are loaded onto a clothes mountain ready to be sorted. Every day we open up the bags and put them on a conveyor belt, and that conveyor belt takes all of the clothes through a very massive grading process. We divide all of the clothes into 160 grades, starting with stock that's we receive that's sort of the quirky vintage items, good quality high street names, that's in good, you know, it's secondhand, but it's nearly new. Then we divide up the clothes into whether they're a summer product, a winter product, adult, kids, children's, and then the stage after that is sort of for any items that are worn or torn, ripped or stained, that won't be able to be reused by another person, which will then get cut up and made into wiper, which is used by janitorial companies, printers, engineers. And then even a further process after that, if something's really can't even be used for wiper, we send on to a recycling mill in the north, and they'll break the material bag down and make it into something new. Most of our business goes to Central Africa, specifically the Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Benin. You know, in these countries, there are people that can't afford or don't have access to new clothes. So secondhand clothing is very much a way of life for them.